do it right now. I live by the 5-minute rule. Like, if it takes less than 5 minutes, I'm gonna do it right now. Hey everybody, this is Ari. We're here at Camp Kirk Studios for Night School, sponsored by Reebok and Slim & Huskies.
I think that people really kind of underestimate you actually graduating law school and like that impact, right? Like you have that structure. What is your advice to them, or what are some systems or just practices?
Yeah. One, to be an entrepreneur, you do have to be a self-starter. If that is not something you're capable of doing, it might not be your path, and that's okay too. Some people have to be the ones that are directed what to do. That's
we
fine.
need it. Yeah, we need it.
Yeah, we need that. You have to create scheduling. Like, I'm a big advocate of waking up early and going to sleep early. You have to work out for your health, for your mental, your sleep. Like, you have to create routine. You should have a running to-do list. There's not a single day that I don't write down what I have to do. Another thing I like to think about is like the eat the frog method, which is like whatever you don't want to do, you have to do that first and just get it done.
Night School, the one and only.